The Orthopedic and Spine Center of the Rockies Symposium is a fantastic opportunity for general health providers in the region to learn about orthopedic techniques, and it's an amazing opportunity because we get to be in the crowd and interact and actually share best practices that affect patient care.
I think the symposium that OCR puts together is really beneficial to the community because it's so important that we make sure that our community as a whole and community partners are receiving updated education and information about a variety of different orthopedic presentations.
The Orthopaedics Symposium is a nice opportunity for people to come together so you can collaborate with one another and get to meet each other and socialize in a way that our regular daily practice doesn't allow us to do.
I think the Orthopedic Symposium is important for several reasons. Number one, it's a way of us connecting annually with a lot of those providers. Number two, it gives us a chance to talk about some of the things that are new in orthopedics, some of the things that are new at Orthopaedic Center of the Rockies, so that they're a little bit more aware and up to date with what's happening in our neck of the woods, so to speak.
So we're super excited to be able to show all of this at the OCR Symposium today. I've gotten some awesome feedback about how the technology works. I think it's a great opportunity just to get the physicians out into the community. It's also good for the people who are attending just to get a little bit of education and learn about what goes on at OCR.
I really encourage everyone to sign up for the next symposium. You're gonna love what you see here. And they have wonderful, friendly people and down-to-earth doctors that can actually meet you face-to-face and answer your questions.
Join us for the 2024 Orthopedic Symposium. We look forward to seeing you and look forward to a whole lot of additional talks on the various orthopedic problems that we take care of and all of our collective professional colleagues take care of.
So we look forward to seeing you in the Orthopaedic Symposium 2024.
We hope to see you at the 2024 Orthopedic Symposium.
We hope to see you at the 2024 Orthopedic Symposium.
Join us at the Orthopedic Symposium 2024.